So in case of 4 megahertz frequency and inspection of steel component, we get sensitivity of machine is equal to 0.37 mm. So we can't detect the flaw which has dimensions less than 0.37. So in case of 2 megahertz frequency, the the sensitivity comes here 0.74. So in case of 2 megahertz frequency and inspection of steel component, we can't detect the flaw which has dimensions less than 0.74 mm dimension. So with the help of this comparison, we get this sentence that sensitivity is more for higher frequency, but higher frequency gives less penetration and more scattering. So more scattering means loss of energy in the another direction of propagation. So in the direction of propagation, we get less energy, less ultrasound energy. So due to that scattering itself, penetration is less. So here we need to select the appropriate frequency of probe for inspection of any component. So the selection of probe is very important in case of ultrasonic inspection. So while inspection by UT, you need to take special care while selection of probe frequency. So data representation. Next point is displaying ultrasonic indication. How that UT machine gives us a response as per as inspection of any component is takes place. So there are basic 3 types of ultrasonic data representation. First one A scan, second one B scan, and third one is C scan. So the A scan presentation displays the amount of received ultrasonic energy as a function of time. See this left side image which represents A scan presentation. This is the component, and we are scanning this component from left to right. There are 2 flaws presented inside the component, and one is extreme entity. So this X can be treated as this sub extreme end. This Y can be represented as a internal defect, and this Z is represents the defect or discontinuity which is very near to the upper surface. So this is the scenario of this component. So let us concentrate on this A scan presentation. So here the relative amount of received energy is plotted along the vertical axis. So this is signal strength. It is the relative amount of received energy. Also we can call it as amplitude or intensity of sound. And on the horizontal axis, it is a elapsed time which may be related to traveled distance within the material. So this horizontal axis gives us elapsed time in case of A scan presentation. So this is elapsed time which may be relative to the distance traveled within the material. So concentrate here. This is the initial pulse, and these are the relative pulses as per as the discontinuities are present inside the component. So in the A scan presentation, Relative discontinuity size can be estimated by comparing the signal amplitude. So see here the amplitude of various echoes, it is different for different discontinuity. So reflector depth can be determined by position of signal on the horizontal time axis. So here it is an initial pulse, this is Z, this central is Y, this response is from X, and this is back wall echo. So this initial pulse created at the interface of material and probe. So this is Z. This echo represents this discontinuity Z, which is very near to the surface. So as this Z discontinuity is very near to the surface, it requires, so ultrasound requires less time to reflect from Z. So initially we get Z indication on the screen. As you move forward, Y discontinuity is there. So Y discontinuity is somewhat deeper than the Z. So ultrasound takes somewhat more time to reach up to Y and reflect from the Y and receive to the transducer. So Y is somewhat, you can say, it take higher time than the Z, so it locates after Z. So here at the indication of 2, Z is there. So at indication of 5, Y is there. So Y needs somewhat more time to reflect. So similar to this 2, X reflection is there. So X is a reflection comes from the second subsurface of back wall. Again it is somewhat far than the Y and Z, so it requires somewhat more time. So after Y, X is there, and then back wall come. So back wall echo comes at the end of screen. So with the help of this representation, we conclude that yes, is it audible now? Is it audible? As far as the cross section of this component is concerned, exactly similar presentation is there in the B scan. So in B scan, the travel time of sound is displaying along the vertical axis. So here time or depth, it is not a ratio, time or depth. So time is plotted on Y axis and scanning distance is plotted on horizontal axis, that is X. So from B scan, the depth of reflector and its approximate linear dimensions in the scan direction can be determined. So look here, this is the indication X, this is the indication Y, and this is the indication Z. So it is exactly similar to the cross section of this component. So this X indication comes at the lower section of screen, Y section at the middle, and Z indication at the top of screen. If you concentrate on this Y axis, it is a reversed one, means 0 is on the top of screen and then continuously scale is plotted. So if you concentrate on the A scan and if you concentrate on the scale start at lower left corner only. So 0 start at this lower left corner. But if you concentrate on B scan presentation, 0 indication start at top for Y axis and 0 scale start at lower, means at left, for horizontal axis. Due to that only it gives us cross section of component. So it is only a representation type. And the next type is C-scan. C-scan gives us the actual view of discontinuity and their scanning path. So this is the test specimen side view. This is the top view of test specimen, and this arrow or these lines shows that scanning path. So scanning starts here and it goes along these lines. As the probe is on discontinuity, we get here different representation on the screen. So this C-scan representation is possible for automated two-dimensional scanning system that provides a plane type view of location and size of test specimen features. So this scanning gives us actual dimension of test specimen along with discontinuity. Here the plane of image is parallel to the scan pattern of transducer. Means as we scan the component on top view, exactly same representation comes on the machine screen. So C-scan representation are typically produced with an automated data acquisition system such as computer controlled immersion scanning system. So this C-scan presentation is developed with the help of computer controlled system, because this transducer is directly connected to the computer scanning system as like a CT scan. So that CT scan is nothing but C-scan presentation, and the sonography is nothing but the B-scan representation. So B-scan representation example is sonography and C-scan representation example is CT scan. So these are the three types of representation of data with the help of ultrasonic evaluation. So let us move towards another slide. So now we will solve few numericals, simple numericals. So this is the machine screen which represent a type of scanning system. So on y-axis intensity or amplitude in percentage, and on x-axis time is plotted. After all, we will consider this 10 block as a range. So we consider here on x-axis range is there. So the question is that draw pulse if a normal probe were used to show 9-inch deep discontinuity using 15-inch screen range. So here on x-axis 10 divisions are there. These 10 divisions represents 15-inch screen, and the question is that we need to draw a response of machine response from material which has 9-inch deep discontinuity. Means suppose this is the component. This is the floor. And we are scanning this component with the help of normal beam probe. So as normal beam transmit from the normal probe, it reaches to the discontinuity, again it reflect back. So it is given that 9-inch deep discontinuity, means the distance of this discontinuity from upper surface is 9 inch. So 9 inch. So it is given. Normal beam probe is used and defect is 9 inch deep from the surface. And the screen range is given as a 15 inch. So we need to draw pulse, the response or echo which come from this defect. This is the question. So it is given range is equal to 15 inch. Depth of discontinuity is 9 inch. So here, as screen has 10 division on x-axis, 10 division equal to 15 inch because range is given 15 inch. So we consider this 10 division equal to 15 inch. So value of 10 division is 15 inch. So here 1 division is equal to 1.5 inch. So we have formula, depth is equal to defect found division multiply with smallest division value of smallest division. We need to calculate here defect found division, means which division represents the defect echo. We have value of depth of discontinuity, that is 9 inch. So it comes 6 division. So depth is 9. So 9 equal to depth division found into smallest division 1.5. So 9 divided by 1.5, it gives us 6 division. So on the 6th division, we need to draw of echo of discontinuity which is present at 9 inch depth from the surface. So are you getting this formula? Are you getting this problem? Are you getting this numerical? Are you getting this numerical? Okay, please reply. So I will repeat here again. We need to draw this pulse, and the given is range 15 inch and the depth of discontinuity is 9 inch. So as screen has 10 division on x-axis, 10 division equal to 15 inch. So ultimately value of single division is 1.5 inch. So with the help of this formula, 9 equal to depth found division into smallest division is 1.5. So 9 divided by 1.5 gives us 6. So echo comes on 6th division. This is the answer. So on this screen, 6th division is here. So we draw the pulse on this 6th division. So here first division gives us 1.5 inch. Second gives us 3 inch. Next, third division has value 4.5 inch. Fourth division has value 6.0 inch. Fifth division has value 7.5 inch. And here is the 9 inch value, which is comes on 6th division. So with the help of this numerical, we conclude that screen gives us echo as per as the defect is present inside the material. But according to the range, we can detect depth of discontinuity from the upper surface of component. So during practical, you have only this screen on your in front of you. So suppose flaw is presented inside the component and pulse comes on the 6th division, and you said the range of machine or range of screen is 15 inch, then you conclude that the flaw is presented inside the component at 9 inch depth. So this pulse gives us location of defect also.